Hi guys, so I'm sure for everyone who has signed up with Tuesday morning, you will get an email saying there's extra 25% off clearance, right? So I got and I went there today because I did see the King Hall frame. One time it was $5 and this is 40% off. I didn't grab it, so I was like keeping my mind, and right now I'm also doing mixed media. I thought this is gonna be perfect because I wasn't sure how I'm gonna do with this. Now I got some idea, so I got this one. Everything is kind of cheap. The frame was like $2.45. I spent all these for $16, so I was pretty happy about it. Oops. And then I got more paper pads, and this is $4.19. Yeah, this is $4.19, and it's actually pretty retro style. I thought it was pretty good. And then I have these stencil mixed media, which I was actually looking. Now I just found some. It's kind of interesting, so I got that. And oh, this I got. It's just a cookie, nothing on sale, but I thought I want to try. They got a couple. There was a sesame kind of in the bag, like $3.99. It was really good. Keep getting that, and this is pretty good. This I haven't tried actually. And then I got napkins. I was thinking to do collage. And then the happy planner. I actually got one time with this size, and then the pocket was like less than $1. And then this too. So get that. And then last but not least, I got these. I don't know why I got these. I think it's probably good for charms, stuff like that. But it was like super cheap, so that's why I got it. And they have a lot of other stuff too. But some of them it's not too useful for me. So anyhow, that's all I got today from Tuesday morning. Oh, my dog is here. Hello, say hi. Come here. I'm filming right now. Hey. No? Okay, it's not me. Alright, thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel, and I'll upload more videos. Ciao.